Hello everyone, this is just simple school experiment. We have here some coil, it's copper wire, just turned around. I got it from the cheap nail gun, and let's see how it works. We have iron bar, then it gets electricity, when it gets power, current. This heats nails, and you nail something on wood or on your wall. So I show how that simple physics works. We have to give some electricity, current. Some power on it. So I think it's already dead, doesn't work real good. Let's start with 10 volt. We put that inside. You see what happened? You see? There is nothing inside. It's just a coil and just iron. This is magnetic field that it moves. Let's make it 13 volt. See? Let's make it a little bit higher. 18 volt. Don't do that at all. That throws it away. That's already magnetic turret. Yeah, field gun. Magnetic field gun. Okay, what is it? Another thing is with other magnet. Then we put it that away and take some ferromagnet, put it here, and just give. You see what happens? It jumps. You put it here, depending on the pole. Now it takes, changing this. You see what happens? There is nothing, it's just a coil, magnet, and Stromquelle. Also, we give some 16 volts to it. And I don't do anything with it. This is so interesting. See how it jumps? Let's make it 22 volts. And see how beautiful. It jumps so smooth. But what happens when we put something to hold it? You see? Only because of magnetic field that we get inside this coil. It's a very simple experiment to understand how things works. So don't use 9 volt or car batteries for them if you're in your garage or somewhere else, because batteries can get hot and harm your hands. Thanks for watching.